Hi, everybody. I'm Chris Koziak. I'm CEO of the Open Ads Protocol. We're bringing ads on chain. The Open Ads Protocol is bringing ads on chain by decentralizing the advertising stack and making the advertising process more transparent. Today, 70% of advertising dollars go to two companies. This stifles competition and innovation, leaving advertisers, publishers, and consumers to have great concern about the value that's being extracted from their data. We can return balance to the web by creating a decentralized advertising protocol powered by Web3 technology. This allows us to reconstruct the ad stack, create a new advertising ecosystem, and redistribute billions of dollars from the incumbents to the true creators of value, publishers, builders, and consumers. In case you missed it on the last slide, that was $500 billion in revenue in 2022 for the top two incumbents. That's why we're building the Open Ads Protocol, a transparent Web3 native high-performance advertising protocol. Our mission is to decentralize digital advertising and become the backbone for product distribution on the web. With the blockchain as a settlement layer and high-performance decentralized ad nodes functioning as the ad serving and validation layer, the entire application stack of advertising opens up for anyone to build on. How will we do it? Well, the blockchain acts both as a data storage and transparency layer, holding crucial details such as the ads and their data, smart contracts, and validator registry. Validators serve as decentralized intermediaries, connecting the blockchain with the application ecosystem. They facilitate things like ad serving, tracking, reporting, etc. Final piece of the puzzle is the application ecosystem. This is where the OAP becomes truly powerful. Developers can use the previous two layers to create applications, drawing from the vast pool of data that will become available. We've already created the first ad network on OAP, but the vision extends to the creation of a diverse ad tech ecosystem with even more ad networks, anti-fraud mechanisms, and user-centric data marketplaces, just to name a few. The composability is endless. We envision an advertising ecosystem where publishers, advertisers, and even end users have a stack of Legos to build the attention economy experience they want. This approach promises to revolutionize advertising by making it more open, transparent, and user-driven. OAP is led by a team that has built and scaled Web2 and Web3 companies. Some of our highlights include being early team on a 50 million ad tech exit, leading Best Buy's engineering team, and Mercari Japan's marketplace, which sees 18 million monthly active users, early AI startups all the way back to 2018, founding a P2P crypto exchange, and building the core ad infrastructure that was acquired and incorporated into Twitter's ad stack. We can build. In the past 4 months, we've went all the way from shipping a proof of concept for on-chain ads to building the first decentralized ad validation node to launching the world's first decentralized ad network. We have 10 advertisers and 3 publishers in alpha waitlist and are seeing active inbound inquiries. We're on track to serve over 10 million impressions by the end of Q1 as well. Our business model is 3-tiered. First, there's a 0.5% fee generated from all transactions set through the protocol. This fee is integral to maintaining and improving the system, ensuring seamless operations and continued development. Then OAP Labs itself will create ad infrastructure on top of the Open Ads protocol. For example, we're putting a 30% fee on operations for our ad network. And then the OAP token, as a utility token, will incentivize network participation through validator, advertiser, and publisher rewards, driving demand for the token and supporting the ecosystem's growth. In competition in the Web3 ad space, it's quite split. Most of the teams funded in the past few years have turned out to be not much more than Web2 ad tech focusing on a Web3 niche. What's interesting is that's a direct quote from an investor in our biggest competitors. We feel that our ability to bring the true Web3 ethos to the ad space will produce better results for advertisers and publishers, and a better experience for consumers in Web2, Web3, and beyond. We really are making it Web3 ad tech for the world. That's why we're opening our pre-seed funding round today. We're raising $1.25 million via equity and tokens to increase our execution speed, and we're also seeking a lead investor. We'll hire engineers, biz dev, marketing experts to strengthen our foundation to make sure we're firing on all cylinders. We'll ensure we comply with all regulatory and product security standards and take the first steps to establish the Open Ads protocol as a future of online advertising. We really hope you can join us. One last thing. Today, we're opening early access to the first app built on the Open Ads protocol. Nectar is the first ad network that runs on transparent smart contracts and a decentralizable backend. To get on the waitlist, sign up at app.nectar.is or just reach out to me and I'll hook you up. Thank you. If you're interested, just reach out to me directly here at founders.oap.gg, chris@oap.gg. And I'd like to thank the Denarii team, Redbeard Ventures, and HLV for the great accelerator they went to. Thank you.